A very good morning to my children. Open your English 2 book and turn to page 53. Means open page number 53. Today we'll do this work. Okay. So let's see. Look at these pictures. Tick the correct words to complete these sentences. So with the help of this picture, we'll choose the correct words and we'll tick on that correct words. Okay. So let's start. Number 1. Tommy wags / swings his tail happily. So look at this picture. You see a dog. So Tommy wags or swings. So which is the correct word from these two words? Wags. So we'll tick on this word wags. Tommy wags his tail happily. Okay. Tommy wags his tail happily. Number 2. Rita and Nisha shake / move hands. So out of these two words, which is the correct word? Shake. As you can see in this picture, Rita and Nisha are shaking their hands. So Rita and Nisha shake hands. So this is the correct word. We will tick on this word shake. So Rita and Nisha shake hands. Okay. Number 3. Tina opens / shakes the lid and looks inside the box. So now look at this picture. Tina. She is Tina. What is she doing? She is opening the box. So we'll now choose which is the correct word out of these two. Opens and shakes. Opens. Yes. She is opening the box. So Tina opens the lid and looks inside the box. So we'll tick on this word opens. Number 4. He is strong. He can push / lift the heavy box. So out of these two words, which is the correct one? Lift. As we can see in this picture, this man is lifting the heavy box. So lift is the correct word. So we'll tick on this word lift. He is strong. He can lift the heavy box. Okay. Now turn to page 54. Number 5. The leaves fall / pull in October. So what do we see in this picture? We see the leaves are falling on the ground. No? So the leaves fall or pull in October? The leaves fall. So this is the correct word. We'll tick on this word fall. The leaves fall in October. Number 6. The bird flies / runs to its nest. Now the bird flies or runs to its nest. So which is the correct word out of these two? Flies. So we'll tick on this word flies. The bird flies to its nest. Okay. The bird flies to its nest. So in this way you will do this work in your book only. Okay. Today we will do only this much. In the next video we will continue this all. Okay. So you will do your work in book only. Okay. So thank you.